Hello everybody, this is Jerry from Tembo Tusk. I want to introduce a new concept that we're going to be putting out on the website. Behold, the naked Skottle. We're introducing a limited series of unseasoned Skottle pans. This is for the purists, for those who want to do their own seasoning, and you start from scratch. It's a beautiful metal, and so you can season it with flaxseed, with regular oil, with olive oil, avocado oil. We're also going to include with this kit a buzzy wax, little tin of buzzy wax. And that's a good starter kit. You can just put it on, it conditions the metal, and will also season the metal. We will have these on the website. They will be limited. We will still have our regular Skottle grill kits, so don't worry about those. Those are not going anywhere. This is just a limited series. The Naked Skottle.